Alright, and this... Alright, this is where we... Right, this is what we got up to last time. And... Okay, we've got a checkpoint. Oh man. I forgot how much I hate looking at this. That's actually a lie. This is fine. So I've got the maps ready. What did I just... No, why am I here? There's more CDs that I want to get to. Okay. Yeah, I've got the map ready on another tab in case I get extremely stuck. Which is entirely possible, but more likely to happen on the boss stages. Okay, so I'm back here. I like how when I'm going fast around this I sink into the ground. That's a cool feature. Oh man. Okay. Okay, just getting slingshot, that's fine. Oh sweet, more CDs. I don't like this. Oh, cool, I didn't see the enemy behind the purple stuff. Wait, can I go? No. I've got to be on the lookout for hidden walls I've found. Okay, so I sink when I go into the bowl. Oh, and we found a pipe. I'm sorry. Give me the freaking health. Damn it. So I'm here. And I was just... Where was I? Okay, I was in the water. There's more stuff. I think, yeah, I took this pipe, and I think it took me up here. Maybe? I don't know. Okay. I must have done, like, jumped somewhere and skipped this whole section. see that. Oh, really? No, I need the... this way? Where? Oh man, this game is... Okay, so now I've got the this power up. I don't like that. Oh, okay, awesome, that kills you. Not a fan of that sprite. No, don't. That was incredibly scary, almost just yeeted straight into the instant death spikes. Oh, checkpoint, that's nice. Yeah, sure, we'll go into here. Alright. Okay, cool. We've got the exit unlocked. And now we just need to find it. Okay, I'm glad it's not there. Because then I'll just, that would mean I'd have to find a random teleporter. Okay, no, that's me. So where's the, okay, the portal's up there. Okay. Alright. That's this level down. Gotta get ready to write down the new code.